Blood with caffeine does not mean tuberculosis. Apart from tuberculosis, there may be other causes for this problem. If you see blood with cough, it is a must to be worried. Coughing of blood in the cough means that tuberculosis is not correct. If there is an old history of long-term cough, excessive excretion, bleeding, tuberculosis or lung inflammation, then this kind of disease is called bronchiatrix. Better to be diagnosed with CT scan than chest X-ray. In general pneumonia, but there may be a lot of fever, chest pain, and rusty skin with cough. Fever, cough, and cough, blood goes to the lungs. Losing lung cancer should also be kept in mind if there is an old person's cough, sore throat, bleeding with cough, and weight loss symptoms. Lung infection is not only with cough, but it is not. There may be various types of heart diseases. For example, the history of rheumatism, bleeding and cough can lead to blood problems and heart valvular problems. Blood may be accompanied by abnormal obstruction in the blood vessel, pulmonary embolism, respiratory failure, and cough. Some medicines can increase the risk of bleeding in the body. Different types of blood diseases, such as hemophilia, leukemia, can lead to bleeding. Whatever the reason, going to blood with cough is not a normal thing. This type of symptom hides behind many complex diseases.